Welcome back, y'all. Today we're going to finish up cleaning the kitchen and decluttering, and we're going to clean my craft room slash closet, and we just have a lot in store today, so keep watching. I'm not going to do a lot of talking, so I hope you enjoy. Just the touch of your hand. If you're anything like me, I love watching cleaning videos on YouTube, and it kind of helps me get motivated to clean the house because I do not like cleaning, and sometimes I can get a little lazy. But if you turn on a cleaning video and some good music, it'll get you started. So I hope you can get some motivation from my videos to just clean the house, get it decluttered, so you can be in the right mind space, because sometimes when the house is not clean, you just get depressed. I got this shelf from IKEA. It's called the Packs, and you can design it however you want it. Usually people use it in the closet, but I used it for my kitchen because my townhome didn't come with a pantry. Does anyone else keep their vitamins in the kitchen so you won't forget to take them? Comment below. Okay, on today's video, we're going to clean up my office space. This is a smaller room that I had, and I made it into a craft room slash office. So I sew in here, craft in here. I got some of my hair products in here, everything. So it's stuff everywhere. So I'm going to do a speed clean in here, and then I'm going to make some scrunchies for my Etsy shop, which I'll link that below. And I'm going to use this. It's for natural hair, because sometimes those small scrunchies don't do the job. So I went to Hobby Lobby and bought some satin. And we're going to make some scrunchies and put them in the store. And I made these already. These are just little kitty ones, little Mickey Mouse ones. And then I got this for some, and then I'm making bonnets out of this one. I got this fabric, believe it or not, from IKEA. But yeah, this is what we're working with. I got some of my perfumes and stuff up there. And we're going to clean this space today. Whew, I got to get ready. And this is just this.
trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong a guiding star. Cause I need your loving, baby, and never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me.
personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to